We are down in the student area where we have some innovative students that are participating in the innovation camp. And we have Brage, Tine and Nikolai, and we have their mentor Håkon. You started yesterday. Tell us a little bit about what you're doing and what you're working with.
We're trying to find a smart solution for a problem which we got yesterday. So we have maybe come up with an idea, so we're continuing working on that. Yeah.
I'm curious, what is the idea?
We are working on how to harvest Calanus. I don't know what it's called in English, but we call it, in Latin, it's Calanus.
Calanus works fine.
Yeah. So how to harvest it in a more efficient way and more, sustainable way. Yeah.
So you have a brand new, cool, innovative idea?
Yeah, we are, today they are using troll. I don't know what that is in English. Troll? Yeah.
Very easy.
They are trolling it, so we are looking in a way to fishing it or harvesting in a passive method. And here we have a little prototype.
Maybe we can show it to the camera.
It's really in the first
it's
stages.
Early in the process.
Yeah, so it's not that beautiful, but hopefully we're gonna get some better pictures to Friday, so it's more understandable. But the principle is you have this troll that is gonna be in swipe position. What do you
Swipe position.
Yeah.
Pushing by the current.
Yeah, pushing by the current. So you will have what you call the røte. Colonists will be collecting in this troll.
In the net?
Yeah.
Cool. And Håkon, you're the mentor of this group and maybe the other groups as well. Do you have a comment on what they're doing and how they've been working on this issue?
Yes, and I'm also a troll designer, and that is my profession. And I see this new idea. It's very clever thoughts and very many good ideas, and many ideas. Very good to see that the young people have possibility to do all this. Yeah. So I like what I see, and all three groups are finding solution, a new idea to work. Very interesting.
And are they able to think new?
Yes, you see this? That is...
These lines here, they do not exist?
No, I don't think so. Maybe somewhere in the world, but not for commercial fishing in North Atlantic, no.
That's amazing. Who is it that came up with this brilliant idea here?
It was a process. We started with really many ideas, and how we came up with this, it was combining several ideas to one. So Nikolai came up that we could harvest with windmills and use that energy from windmills to pump up water and collecting microplast. And then Tine was taking a master's degree on harvesting colonists,
yes.
And then we just combined this with trolling, and that's how we came up with it.
Yeah. And also we did a talk with our mentor, and he suggested it to us. So we asked if there was any challenges he could, so.
And how are you going to continue working on this? Because now it's Wednesday, you have 2 more days before we're going to see the finished result.
Oh yeah, we don't have so much time, but we are going to work today and tomorrow, and work a lot on it. Yeah.
And we've tried finding the linchpins of the problems. So what question do we need to answer to get a solution that's something we can actually show? Because if we take away the Achilles heel, I'm not sure what it's called. If we take out the most bumps, we can at least pitch a good idea, I feel.
And how is Håkon helping you? Is he a good mentor?
Yeah, we are for the most part like aquaculture students, so we don't have so much experience with fisheries. So we're learning a lot about we're reading a lot of like articles about how fish is living in the sea, which we don't really use in the aquaculture studies.
Thank you, and good luck. I'm excited to see what you're doing tomorrow and how the drawing has changed. Maybe we should have just live recording of your drawing. And we have another group here. Hello, hello.
Hi.
How are you doing?
Very good.
And how are your project going?
Fine. Yes, so we have had a little bit of progress today and try find some solution. So yesterday we got presented 2 different issues that we were gonna choose between, and we have chosen to work with ways of creating a way that the fishery industry could be more sustainable for the environment and the ecosystems. And then we have now seen on these issues with plastic pollution. Yes, so because fisheries are a big source to these plastic pollutions, and it's one of the biggest issues with the fishing industry today. So we need to try to find solutions to collect the plastics and yeah.
Definitely. And how do you think, or what do you think about Nordfishing arranging this together with companies and universities? Do you think this is a good idea?
Yes, absolutely. For us, it has been very good to talk to all the people on the stands and to get ideas. We have tried to make some sort of prototype for how we're going to collect the plastic on the sea bottom instead of the plastic in the surface, which is something people don't really do today. Most of the technology is in the surface. So we've been talking to a lot of people that knows things about mechanical engineering and sustainable energy, and how we're going to make this project real. So it's been very useful, and it's also great for us as students to be here and to show ourselves to the world. To the
It's
people.
a great opportunity.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. We have some more here. We have a student video actually that we're going to take a look at. Just watch.